Get noticed in this 2007 GMC Acadia. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.